Okay, so two big announcements in this video. One, we're almost at 250 subs, which is awesome. And two, we got our first sponsored brand deal with only 250 subs. And I've actually worked with this company before. It's called Fifine. They are interested in sending me out a microphone with an ARM condenser microphone. So I'm probably gonna agree to it, to be honest. I'm excited to do some brand deals. Yeah, it's not paid, it's nothing like that. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Yeah, so I've been using the Galaxy Buds Pros for probably 2 months now. And when I first made my review of them, I kind of trashed them. Not in sound quality, but just comfort in the ear. So I thought I would do another video, sort of like an update, to let you guys know how they've been fitting in my ear now, because I've received several comments saying you can replace it with new silicone ear tips that'll fix the fit in the ear, or use a different size, which I already did try, or you have to sit there and wait a while for the buds to adapt to your ear, because apparently these tips mold over time, which I had no idea that was a thing, but apparently it is. So after 2 months of using these, I have to say that the fit in the ear has improved. Not amazingly, but definitely significantly, to the point where I can actually wear them for a little bit amount of time, probably like an hour to 2 hours before they start to get uncomfortable. But as I've said before, the sound quality in these is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love the noise cancellation in these and the dynamic sound, the two-way speakers, and the highs, the mids, and the bass is definitely superior compared to all other Galaxy Buds earbuds, buds, something like that. So here's the thing. I've been using the Galaxy Buds Plus as my daily driver earbuds by Samsung, tuned by AKG. I don't know if my camera is going to focus on that. Tuned by AKG. These are also tuned by AKG. Now this isn't going to be like a full comparison between the two sorts of earbuds. However, these are my daily drivers, and these are my secondary drivers. I don't know what you call it. I use it from time to time, right? These I'll use literally every single day. These have one feature in beta right now. It's not like a full developed feature. It has one feature that keeps me coming back to them. The feature is not found on these. That feature, ladies and gentlemen, is the feature to basically when you have the earbud in like this. Now I may start speaking louder because I have an earbud in. Double tap your ear. Double tap your ear, and it will increase or decrease the volume. Right is increase, left is decrease. You don't tap the earbud itself, you tap your ear twice, and it literally will change the volume. Life-changing. I don't know why they decided to remove that feature from the Galaxy Buds Pros, but they did. And if they had it, I'd probably be using these as my daily driver earbuds, just because the sound quality and the bass is superior compared to the Buds Plus. Not by much, but it is there, and you do notice it. So, I mean, yeah, overall, the tips have adjusted to my ears. I've gotten a little better at the whole screwing them in mechanism, in which you rotate them clockwise until they get a good fit, and they haven't fallen out of my ears like they used to. They did used to fall out of my ears very easily. Now that's no longer the case, so I can actually wear them for a decent amount of time and enjoy that good sound quality, addition to the comfort. So the comfort was holding them back. They do have a lot of other good features within the app, which I did show off in my other video. So would I recommend the Galaxy Buds Pros now? Yeah, I would. I mean they're a decent, solid pair of earbuds made by Samsung. Great integration with the app and the Galaxy S21, which I do still own. I use YouTube Music to stream all my music. It's high quality. I'd compare it to Spotify. It's as good or better as compared to Spotify. The overall features within the app, such as the recommended playlists and stuff like that. All the audio is really high quality for streaming over Wi-Fi and also data. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty short video overall. If you are looking at earbuds, definitely take a look at these. They are phenomenal. Maybe I'll do a full breakdown of which ones you should buy in 2021. Maybe go into more detail for both earbuds, but the Galaxy Buds Plus definitely still win when it comes to comfort. The Galaxy Buds Pros lose, however, they've gotten better. They've definitely gotten better over time, and the comfort has adjusted. Somehow the silicone tips mold to your ear. I don't know how that's possible, but it is. So yeah, wait for them to go on sale. I wouldn't pay $200 for these. I don't think they're worth $200, but I think they're worth it if you can get them for like $150-ish. Galaxy Buds Plus you can get for roughly $100 on sale these days. That's just gonna be a short video for this one. Definitely go check out these earbuds. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, I would check them out too, but obviously you have a preference towards AirPods. Almost 250 subs. Leave a like, subscribe. Gonna be giving away these earbuds signed by me when we hit 1,000 subs. We're getting there, so if you want to support the channel, please guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. A lot of my viewers aren't actually subscribed to the channel, so if you're watching this, please subscribe, help me out, help Scott out, and I would appreciate it a ton. You can also check out my podcast at College Maisie Podcast. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. I have a bunch of really good ideas coming in the future. I could make more Galaxy phone content, stuff like that. I could talk about the Apple event that just happened. I'd be happy to do that. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be collabing with more companies on products. Really excited. So if you're a company and you're watching this and you want to collab, just hit me up. My email is listed, my work email or my YouTube email is listed on the channel under the About page. I think it's at scotttylermedia21@gmail.com. Definitely go hit me up. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe. Peace.